On this lesson, we are going to study the laws of functors. A question that might be raised at this point is, can we make functors of any shape? Well, the answer is no. There are some laws called the laws of functors. These laws tell us, watch out, for some instantiation of functors or for some definition of the f-map by some type to be a functor, what must be fulfilled are these two properties in here: the identity and the composition. The identity law tells us that if we make an f-map of the identity function, this is equivalent as if we had applied the identity function. This means that when we apply the identity function to a container with some value, it is like if we hadn't done anything, because we are left with the same container with its same value, which makes total sense. In the same way, we have the composition law. The composition law, what tells us is, if we make the f-map on a container using the composition of two functions, this needs to be equivalent as doing the composition of the f-map of the second function followed by the f-map of the first function. That is to say, it doesn't matter if we do the composition inside the container or outside the container. The two ways must be equivalent. If both of these ways are not equivalent, then the instantiation of that type with that implementation of the f-map function or the functor class will be wrong. We need to satisfy both of these laws. Very well. With this, we end this brief lesson on the laws of functors.